Today I'll be showing you how to make my favorite easy old-fashioned donuts 3 ways: glazed, sugared, and plain. In a medium bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Whisk this until it's well combined and set aside. In a large bowl, combine 1 large egg and 1 cup of white sugar. Whisk this until it is well incorporated and the sugar starts to dissolve. Now we will add in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 of a cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Again, we are going to mix this until it is well combined. Now we can add our dry mixture into our wet mixture, and using a spatula, I am going to stir this up. It's going to be a little bit lumpy at first, but don't worry, it'll come together into a nice smooth donut batter. I like to transfer this to a piping bag to fill my donut molds. If you don't have a piping bag, you can just spoon the mixture in, and that would work as well. It's important to note that these have been well greased, and that is a crucial step in order to get our donuts to release. I'm going to fill these about 3/4 full, and these will bake for 8 to 10 minutes in an oven that is preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. These donuts also are great as mini donuts, and for that, fill the pan cavity only about half full. I overfilled mine a bit, so my donut shapes were a bit wonky. And these little ones will only bake for 6 to 8 minutes. I like to remove my donuts from the pan about 2 minutes after I take them out of the oven while they're still hot, and I find that's the easiest way to get them to release. So let those cool for a minute along with the minis, and we'll start preparing the rest of our ingredients. So here we're going to combine 3 tablespoons of white sugar with half of a teaspoon of cinnamon and give that a whisk. For the glaze, we'll use 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And again, we're just going to give that a nice whisk until it's combined. So here I have melted 2 tablespoons of butter, and I am just going to brush a good amount of butter onto my donuts, ensuring that I get all sides evenly coated. Now we can toss it into our cinnamon and sugar mixture. Again, make sure that we get both sides and all of those edges. This is my favorite way to enjoy these old-fashioned donuts. They are also great glazed, and that's nice and easy. We just toss them in the glaze, again, ensuring that we get both sides and all of the edges. You want to let a little bit of that glaze drip off for a minute here, and then we can place it on our wire rack, and this will take about an hour for it to firm up and for the glaze to harden. And the last one's easy peasy. That one's old-fashioned plain, so we can just set that down. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate so much if you would like or subscribe, and let me know down in the comments section below which one is your favorite. I hope that you will join me next week for a new easy recipe video. Thanks so much for watching.